how to fix Messenger send failed we limit on Messenger. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So first you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or application. Then on apps or applications you will search for Messenger, and when you found Messenger, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, you go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and go back and click for stop and click OK, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.